Hey, what's up? Neil here. How are you guys? I miss you. I have not been posting any videos for quite some time now, maybe 3 weeks to a month. I don't know, maybe. And yeah, just wanted to fill you in about things that have been going on with me. I've been quite busy at work, and also the weather outside. It's not really nice. About a week ago, it went down to -16 here in Illinois, specifically in Huntley where I live. And sometimes it snows, sometimes it rains. It's been very crappy. And then also on Tuesdays and Thursday I go to work, and then by the time I reach home it's already dark. Yeah, that's what happens during winter. Um yeah, anyways, so I took out the patch antenna, which is luminaire, and then I'm gonna replace it with this one. So I made the plate. I mounted the helical 7-turn antenna on the helical plate. Oh, it's loose. I haven't tightened it yet. Yeah. Um, and then I'm building a new antenna, which is actually a 13-turn helical. So it's gonna be mounted sideways. Yeah, yeah, like this. Here, I'm gonna show you how it looks like. So, so this one, the plate, right? It will be mounted. Oh, let me switch my hand or the camera. So, right there, it will be like this, right? Okay, and then on the side will be, yeah, this one. I just built this today, and it's not complete yet. And the reflector, the copper plate, the circle copper plate, yeah, that's how it's done. So I just use a very strong adhesive, and then this thing here, yeah, will be mounted here on the side. So I use FreeCAD to build this model, and then to get the thread in FreeCAD, you'll have to add the fastener plug-in. Okay, yeah, that's how it's done. Okay, there you go. Let's see. I hope you can see it, guys. Cool. All right, and then it'll be mounted here, something like this. Ooh, let's look at that. And then in the center, you know what? Let's mount the plate. Let me pause this. Alrighty, guys, I'm back. So finally mounted the plate that has the helical antenna. Yeah, that's how it would look like. And then the extra 13 turn would be right here. Okay. Yeah, or here. Yeah, I've got another one. I'm currently reprinting this part. It's because today this took me an hour to insert the copper wire. An hour, guys, an hour. It's because of the hole that I made. It's 1.5 millimeters. It was too small, too tight for the diameter of the copper wire. It's nice though, because it's not gonna wobble. Unlike the new one I'm building, currently printing, which is 2.5 millimeter hole. I didn't realize it would be so big. Yeah, see? Yeah, I'm currently printing it again because I don't want to waste 1.5 hours or 1 hour. Yeah, actually, maybe I don't know how long it took me really. Maybe more than an hour. But anyways, um, yeah, I'm gonna go to New Jersey. I'm gonna fly my drone there. Just kidding, guys. Just kidding. cool, but what do you think? I think it looks really cool. Oh, and you know what? What I've noticed, which is weird, I thought helical antenna are directional, right? But I flew this last time. This one was mounted here, oh, just like this. But this was mounted right here, and then I was using this patch antenna, which is also directional, right? However, I brought my quad behind me. It was still 50.8 megabits per second. I didn't lose any signal. Yeah, I don't know why. What's this thing? Oh, it's gunk. Yeah. But anyways, yeah, this is how it looks, guys. Pretty sick. Um, I think it's gonna attract authorities. Hey, excuse me, sir. Can you please land your drone? We need to ask you some questions. Oh, sure, officer. I'm gonna let you look inside and look how cool FPV hobby is. Yeah, and then I wanna. Can you please buy a drone too, an FPV drone, and I'll help you build it, and we will fly together, officer. Yeah. So the officer here, there's a police here. Uh, he has he's seen me twice, and yeah, he doesn't bother me. So he knows he's a good dude. I don't know him. I don't remember his face, but he's seen me twice wearing goggles. Not with this one, just the plain. What's that omnidirectional antenna? Where is that stuff? Yeah, this one. Yeah, this one. He's seen me fly my FPV quad during summer, and he just stopped. And then I saw his car, and then he didn't bother, and then he just left